Hey fam bam, it's Sienna. Okay, so this week has been just awful. I got back from my trip from Kentucky and I just got sick. You can probably still hear it in my voice. I'm not like 100% yet, but I'm so tired of sitting around my house and literally doing nothing and feeling like crap that I've decided to go out looking at antique stores, because there's like never anybody at antique stores and you can just kind of like peruse the stuff by yourself. I did do a house tour for you guys because I'm about to switch things up. I thought I'd go searching for, you know, like little inspirations at these antique stores and see if I can find anything that goes with my new. It's gonna be kind of like an eclectic mix of, I don't even know, you guys. It's gonna be like jungle, Zen garden, Asian infusion with French furniture. It's just gonna be me and everything that I love. Things that bring me joy rather than keeping to a specific color scheme. But I am going to be incorporating, hopefully I'll be painting the walls and they will be green, I think. I'm really into green. I really want the house to look like a green, like a secret garden, like a jungle. Like I want more plants. I want to just start adding to it slowly. So I'll take you along with me in the process. Okay, so before we leave, let's do a quick little outfit of the day. This is a crop top. I think I got it from Urban Outfitters like years ago. These pants are from Revolve. They were super pricey, you guys. They were like $160. Like, are they worth it? I don't know. This is my first time wearing them. And then I have my Teddy Blake purse. I just put a little tiny scarf on it from Amazon, Louis Vuitton sunglasses, and my $1 earrings from downtown LA, my Michael Kors watch, Tory Burch boots. These are like the best boots ever. I'm obsessed with them, love them so much. Let's do it. So when I go to antique stores, things that I'm looking for, okay, first of all, an antique is something that is over 100 years old. Something that is vintage is something over 20 years old. Antiques are a lot more expensive because they're harder to come by. Obviously, they need to be in good condition to be worth more money. Antique furniture is like really pricey. Sometimes like little vases can be like hundreds, thousands of dollars. It's insane. But if you find one of these type of antique stores that the things kind of fall in between vintage and antique, then you can get some really good, fun, affordable finds. And that's kind of what I'm going for. Okay, this is the first place that I stopped in. All of these antique stores are in Long Beach, by the way. And it had some cute little knickknacks and stuff. But one of the most interesting things, yeah, that Playgirl. I found this really cool scrapbook from somebody. Obviously, these are really old photos. I don't know the years. I couldn't find like dates on any of these pictures, but how cool is that? Like, that's somebody's life, you guys. Like, it's so crazy. There they are as grandparents. How cute. I get really kind of overwhelmed in places like this because your eye just is looking at so much stuff. But this little guy jumped out at me. Is he not the cutest little giraffe you've ever seen? And then I kind of liked this vase because peacocks and flowers is where the new decor is going, but it wasn't really bringing me any joy. So I kept going. And in the back room, there were all these vintage dresses in really great condition, hats, and they had also belts and stuff, but another peacock. I was like, oh my God, I really wanted that peacock, but it was like $200 and something. Actually, I think this is a Chinese robe slash jacket slash dress. It was so dope. It was $90. I just felt like I didn't really have a need for it, and I've been spending so much extra money that I didn't get it. But this was cute, but it kind of like was thin like a robe, and I felt like it made me look a little bit boxy right here, so I opted to not buy it. It was $55. Wasn't in love. Okay, second place, had a bunch of clothes outside. They were ironically like really expensive for linen shirts. The inside, I wasn't excited. I'll just say that. But the rooms were kind of cute because they organized them by color and by theme. I actually liked that pillow, and this chair was cute. I like the pattern of that green fabric, but this room was all green stuff. And I thought that made it a very enjoyable, pleasant shopping experience. to see all the greenery in one space. And then you move around the corner and there's some green linens and curtains. And the next room was a different theme. So the next room was more like shells and blue and like oceanic vibes. You go outside and it was this massive just array of like patio junk, in my opinion. It just, does that not all just look like junk to you? Like, I don't know. And then there were these small rooms off of the outside patio, but just again, like too much stuff. And I don't know. I don't think anything had like a ton of value. These glasses were kind of cute, but I don't need any more wine glasses. I have so many. Fan kind of attracted me a little bit, but not enough. The couch was cute. And then there was this girl that kept following me around to room to room to room. And her bag was making this like swishy noise. She was literally following me in every single room, you guys. Like, here she is again. Like, yeah, bye, bitch. Like, I don't know why she was following me. Like, literally to 4 different rooms. She was like in there. Okay, so that store didn't really have anything I was looking for in it. It was too like country, shabby chic. And I'm looking for more like older, either something like super eclectic and weird and modern, like animal print, or Asian inspired like antique stuff. So wasn't the vibes. Oh my god, so you have to pay for parking around here, and I couldn't get my card in because my nails are too long. So then I had a gentleman, a good Samaritan, stopped and helped me, but they don't take American Express here. So now I'm in my car like searching for any kind of change so that I can freaking go to this place. Awesome. Can't even believe the hassle that this was. Okay, now I'm sweating. This next place ended up being a gift shop. Everything was brand spanking new, but it was adorable. Like, everything had swear words on it and funny sayings. There was booby candles and MILF stickers. So I moved on. This antique store was insanely overwhelming. Like, oh my god, I walked in and I immediately just wanted to walk out. It looked like crap everywhere. Besides these lamps, what the hell is that? Like, who is he? What is he's so scary. Like, I literally just walked up this aisle and then like left. So I went to this other store. I don't know what this was. It had plants, it had clothes, it had furniture, it had soaps, pots and pans. So random. But look at this hat though. This might be perfect. I'm gonna have to try this on. Okay, the hat is really cute, but for $84, like, it's like a cookie breakfast. Maybe it is good though. It's so dark in here. Do we love it? Do we hate it? I don't know. Can't tell. Kind of was looking for either a light pink or a cream colored. I feel like you could wear cream with like more stuff, you know. It's just kind of like big. I don't know. The brim is like super wide. Last but not least, I went to a thrift store. So I knew nothing in here was going to be antique-y, but you know, I thought, who knows? Maybe it's something cool. I felt like this dog at this point in time. Like, I just wanted to get home. And then there was this creepy baby in the pictures. All right. And on the way back to my car, I stopped into this little cute shop. How adorable are the refrigerator doors? And then they had like a starry night type of ceiling, and a lot of their vintage clothes were actually really cute. Okay, that last store was so cute because it had those refrigerator doors for the dressing rooms. How adorable. When you get back into your car, make sure that you're carrying with you hand sanitizer because you're touching like a bunch of old shit. You know, it's dirty. It's dirty. Now I'm on the way home and I'll show you guys what I bought. Look at what a beautiful day it was, you guys. Long Beach is so underrated. Okay, let's see what I got. First store, this goofy little baby giraffe. I just thought he was absolutely adorable. He has a little butterfly on him. He was only $8 to this little store called Songbird, and got 2 different pairs of socks. They're gifts. Last thing I got was at the thrift store. And it's this big, like, tiger striped vase with the right flowers in it. I think it'll look really classy and really nice. I think it looks pretty good. I put these little tiger-y type of things that I had left over from some other bouquet that I made a long time ago. I am not mad at it. It looks way more than a $10 vase. Hi. Oh, and if you count what I bought in an antique store last weekend, this amazing red horse. I call him El Diablo. He literally looks like he is like coming up from the freaking depths of hell or something, but he's fabulous and I love him. House is gonna look very different the next time we do a house tour, which won't be for a very long time because it's gonna take me forever to do it. But this is the direction that we're going in. Okay, love you guys. We'll see you later. Bye.